Since the year is almost over, the final significant hardware release of 2023 has probably already taken place. But the subsequent rollout might happen very soon. It is already official that on January 17th, Samsung will present the S24 series during an event in San Francisco. As early as February 2nd, early adopters were able to obtain the newest flagship phone from Samsung. 3 variants of the phones are anticipated to be released: the standard S24, the S24 Plus, and the S24 Ultra. The standard and S24 versions are believed to feature somewhat larger displays, measuring 6.17 and 6.65 inches, respectively. Samsung S24 line is anticipated to have sizes similar to the preceding S23 line. With a WQHD resolution of 1440 by 3120, the S24 Plus is anticipated to have a greater resolution than the other 2 variants. Furthermore, it is rumored that the S24 Ultra would have a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is quicker than the previous models. The Galaxy S24's internal processor is either Samsung's Exynos 2400 or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, depending on the market. However, it is anticipated that the S24 Ultra will include a Qualcomm chip, regardless of the area. It is anticipated that the RAM for the S24 and S24 Plus would increase from 8GB to 12GB, and the S24 Ultra might have a whopping 16GB. The S24 Ultra will have stacked technology for batteries, which will improve energy density without enlarging the device's size, while the S24 Plus may have a little higher battery capacity of 4,900 mAh. Samsung plans to provide the S24 variants with a minimum of 256GB of onboard storage, with the possibility of expanding that amount to 2TB for the priciest S24 Ultra model. While there isn't much information available regarding the camera enhancements for the S24 and S24 Plus, the Samsung S24 Ultra is anticipated to come with the latest 50-megapixel telephoto lens that has a 5x optical zoom. The S24 Ultra will also include eye tracking, a new function that lets users follow a subject while taking cropped and full-angle photos. It is anticipated that the S24 Extreme will be the only model to have a S Pen in the box. Also, any or all of the phones may support satellite communications. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.